If your data is sorted, a binary search might be better. Come on, let's learn some Java. To conduct a binary search, the values in the list need to be sorted. Here they're sorted from least to greatest, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. We're going to search for the value 9. We need to start in the middle of the list, so we take the lowest index 0 plus the highest index 4, and we average them. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and that's the middle of our list. We check the value at index 2, which is 5, and 9 is greater than 5, and therefore we can ignore the left half of this list and concentrate on the right half. It has a value at index 3 and a value at index 4. So the middle would be 3 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 3. So we're going to check the value at index 3 against the value 9, and 7 is less than 9. So we can ignore the value at index 3 as well. And now we just have one value left in our list. We started index 4, we ended index 4. And so the average would be 4, and we check that value, and that's where 9 is. And so 4 will be returned. Let's say we're looking for the value 6. Well, again, we're going to start in the middle, and since 5 is less than 6, we'll ignore the left half. Now we check the middle of this remaining list, and we're going to check the value at index 7. Well, 6 is less than 7, and so now we ignore the right half of the list. And therefore the value is not found and -1 is returned. Now don't forget to like and follow, and check out the links in our description.